So in this video, I'll show you how to block CapCut internet access. So all you have to do now, after you open the CapCut, minimize the CapCut. After you minimize the CapCut, now go to search at the bottom. So now search for firewall. So here is now Windows Defender Firewall. Now open it. After you open it, go to advanced. So go to this outbound rule. Now go to new rule. So now select program. Go to next. So now inside the program or inside the CapCut path. So all you have to do now, I'll go ahead and copy the path of the CapCut. So here is what you need to do. If you are using Windows 11, just right click on the CapCut icon and go to copy path. But if you are using Windows 10, just all you have to do, right click on the CapCut and then go to this, go to see more. It will give you option for the open file location. So here is now open location like this. So now copy the address like this one. After you copy the address like this, if you are using Windows 10, but if you are using Windows 11, just right click on the icon, copy path. So now paste in the path in this option. So after you paste in the address, now remove the quotation mark at the beginning and at the end. So now here is address. Go to next. So go to block internet. Go to next. So now go to here is it now. It will block all this access to the internet of the app. Go to next again. So now type in the name CapCut. So after you type in the name CapCut like this, so just click on this finish button. From there, it will block internet access for your CapCut, and that's it. Be sure to like and subscribe.